Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and use the brand new Zypher Tunnel app for secure, fast, and unlimited internet access. Whether you're looking to stay private online or unlock restricted websites, Zypher Tunnel has got you covered with its high-speed servers and versatile protocol support. Let's jump right into it. First, open any web browser like Chrome or Firefox on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit Enter. From the search results, tap on the official UDP Custom website. This will take you directly to the home page. Once you're on the home page, locate the menu icon, usually found at the top of the screen. Tap on it to open the navigation menu. From the list of available options, select Free Zypher Tunnel. This will bring you to the Zypher Tunnel download page. On this page, you'll see a few download options. Tap on the Zypher Tunnel link to begin the download. When prompted, tap the Install button. The installation might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Once the Zypher Tunnel is installed on your device, tap the Open button to launch the app. Upon launching, you might be asked to allow notifications. Feel free to allow or skip this depending on your preference. After entering the app, you'll land on the home screen. It's important to have mobile data or Wi-Fi active at this point, as the app will automatically update its server list. When the server update completes, the app might restart. This is completely normal, so don't worry. Now that the Zypher Tunnel app is ready, let's explore its interface. The screen is divided into two main sections, one for selecting servers and another for choosing your preferred protocol. To select a server, tap on the server section. A list of different location-based servers will appear. Choose any server depending on your region or speed preference. You can always switch servers later. Next, select a protocol by tapping the Tweaks button. Here you'll find a list of built-in tweaks that come with different protocol settings. Scroll through and try out the one that best suits your connection needs. If you want more customization, go for the custom settings. Simply create a name for your tweak, select a protocol type, and if you're using SSL, enter the SNI. After configuring the tweak, return to the home screen. You will now see a big Start button. Tap on it to initiate the connection. Within a few seconds, Zypher Tunnel will connect, and your internet traffic will be encrypted and secured through your chosen server and protocol. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured Zypher Tunnel. Enjoy faster, safer, and more open browsing anytime, anywhere. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and app walkthroughs. See you in the next one.